What's going on, guys? Toasty here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I got some stickers that I got to put on my car. My old stickers are just peeling, and yeah, I'm kind of just tired of looking at them like that. So we're gonna throw some new ones on. So all that you guys are gonna need is some basic glass cleaner and microfiber towels and some razor blades. Forgot to put that in there, but razor blades. It's a key tool here. Like I said earlier in the video, these stickers have been on for numerous years and through plenty of winters, so they've done their time. They're peeling, they're weathered. Some of them aren't doing too bad, like the Goon Squad sticker, but some of them we're gonna have to just peel off by hand. Hopefully the residue doesn't get stuck on there. But yeah, let's get to work. Alright, there's all the stickers we got off. Look at that side. Beautiful. Let's go to the other side now. Alright guys, so we cleaned up both sides, we put the new stickers on there. We got the little Whitaker sticker, we got the new Goon Squad on there, we got the Street Speed 717 logo. I'm loving it, looks pretty good. I guess I'll give you a little color reveal for the bow ties. That'll be in an upcoming video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, really means a lot to me. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace!